Now, if you are considering working with me, let me walk you through exactly how it works. There are no surprises, no ambiguity, just a clear process from start to results. So it starts with the Gap Unlock questionnaire. 12 questions, 3 minutes, that is it. And what's going to happen is this gives me an initial read on where your leadership team sits and which of the 15 gaps are most likely showing up in your particular business. Now, based on your response, we will have a 30-minute conversation, just you and me. I share 2 to 3 gaps I have already identified from what you have told me. And you will get immediate clarity on where trapped value sits. No pitch, just insight. From there, we talk about which engagement makes sense for you. Now we got the impact immersion if you want full in-person transformation. The virtual impact immersion if you want the same depth delivered remotely. Or the impact partnership if you want sustained support over 6 to 12 months. And look, if none of them is the right fit, you walk away with insights you did not have before. There's no obligation, absolutely no pressure. Once we begin, this is where the real work starts. I will conduct a 3-week forensic diagnostic. I go through your strategy documents, your financial reports, your governance structures, your culture. I look at your agendas, your minutes, your decision-making patterns. And then, this is where it really gets powerful. I have deep one-to-one immersive sessions with every member of your C-suite, your directors, and your CEO. Now, these are not tick box interviews. I am assessing the tone at the top, the alignment beneath the surface, and the gaps that nobody is talking about openly. Because here's the reality. Everybody has different perspectives, and that is expected. What matters is whether these differences are being surfaced or suppressed. This diagnostic reveals exactly that. Now, everything comes together in the strategic immersion workshop, either 2 days in person or delivered virtually. And this is not a talking shop, my dear friends. We dismantle the silos, we surface the misalignments, we close the gaps, and we build a 90-day execution roadmap that the entire team owns. Mindset mastery plays a central role here. Once I've appraised the team, I know exactly where the mental barriers sit, the beliefs, the assumptions, the hesitations that are holding leaders back. And what we do is address this head on. And by the way, I also layer in the use of AI, practical tools that give your team efficiency and effectiveness they can use immediately. And I don't disappear after the workshop. This is what many consultants do. I actually come back. So at 4 to 6 months, I check whether the roadmap is being executed. I address bottlenecks. I coach where needed. And the end of the year, what we do is we hold a full review to make sure milestones have been exceeded and to celebrate the wins. Now, the entire process is designed so your team is enriched and empowered with minimum intrusion and complete freedom to be innovative. I build capability and then I step back. Same team, same market, but different operating system. So if you want to see where your gaps sit, start with the questionnaire, 3 minutes, and I will show you exactly where momentum is trapped. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye for now.